Hey everyone, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In today's video, it's going to be very short but very helpful as I show you how to replace your floor mat retainer clips. This is in the 2016 Chevy Traverse, and you see this holds the floor mat in place. This is between the back seats, or excuse me, right behind the front seats. And that one works great, but if you come over here, you see that this one's broken, and it drives me crazy because all the time it's messed up. Now you can buy similar parts to this, but I couldn't find the one that worked just perfectly. So what I did was ordered something on Amazon, and I will leave a link for in the description for what I bought. I had to pry the top off, and I'm going to use the new top on this old broken one. As you can see, I just popped this off of the new retaining clip because this little lever part is all I really needed. And like I said before, I will leave a link to these that I bought through Amazon. I'll leave that link in the description. So all we're going to do is take it and place it right on top till it clicks, push it down in that hole. And there we go. Now we're going to put our floor mat back on, goes right in there, and we're going to twist it, and now it stays in place. So if this has happened to your car in any area, you can easily pop that off. That little clip only costs about $5, and you can see it has worked great. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Like the video if you are so inclined. Leave me any question or comments that you might have, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.